Hello, I'm Wolver, and today we're talking about something that's going to change the way you find people online forever. Let me ask you something. Have you ever tried to find someone's social media accounts? Maybe it's a business partner. Maybe it's someone you're hiring. You have their username. That's it, just a username. So what do? You open Google, you type the username, you scroll through pages of results. You check platform after platform. It takes hours. It's exhausting, and half the time, you miss things. Not anymore. Today I'm showing you Wolver iBot on Telegram at Wolver iBot. This is the most powerful username search tool I've ever built. And the best part? It lives inside Telegram, on your phone, in your pocket, ready whenever you need it. Here's how it works. You open Telegram, you find at Wolver iBot, you hit start, and then you type one simple command. /search, followed by any username. Let's say you type /search John Doe. Within seconds, the bot comes back with results. For free users, you get 5 platforms: Telegram, Instagram, Facebook, GitHub, and YouTube, all with working links. Click any link, and you're on that profile instantly. That alone is powerful, but that's just the beginning. Because here's where it gets insane. Upgrade to premium for just 99 cents. That's right, less than $1, less than a coffee, and you unlock the full power of Wolver I. With premium, you're not searching 5 platforms. You're searching 50+ platforms, every major social network on planet Earth. Let me list some of them for you. Twitter, Reddit, TikTok, Twitch, Pinterest, Discord, Medium, Dev.to, Keybase, Mastodon, Steam, Spotify, SoundCloud, Bitbucket, GitLab, CodePen, Hacker News, Products Hunt, Stack Overflow, Quora, Bandcamp, Last.fm, Behance, Dribbble, Figma, DeviantArt, Patreon, LinkedIn, Snapchat, vContact, Tumblr, Flickr. 50+ platforms, one search, instant results. Think about the possibilities. If you're a recruiter, you can vet candidates in seconds. Type their username, see their GitHub, see their LinkedIn, see their Twitter, see what they actually post, see if they're professional, see if they're active in their industry, all before you even call them for an interview. If you're a journalist, you can investigate sources instantly, type a username, get 50+ links to every platform they use, see their posts, their comments, their connections, their entire digital footprint. Research that used to take days now takes seconds. If you're in security or investigations, this is your new best friend. Track subjects, find all their accounts, map their online presence, all from your phone, all in one place. Peace of mind for less than $1. If you're a content creator, claim your brand, type your username, see where it's taken and where it's available. Secure your identity across 50+ platforms instantly. If you're a parent, keep your kids safe. Type their known username. See every platform they're active on. Know what they're doing, who they're talking to. Monitor their digital life. This tool works for everyone. And the interface is beautiful. Clean, dark mode, professional buttons. It feels like a premium app because it is a premium app. But it's all inside Telegram. No downloads, no installs, no signups. Just open and search. Now let's talk about payments, because this is where it gets really interesting. I don't do credit cards. I don't do PayPal. I do crypto, specifically Solana. Why Solana? Because it's fast, it's cheap, and it's perfect for payments under $1. Here's how it works. You click the premium button. You choose Pay with Solana. The bot gives you a wallet address. You send 99 cents worth of Solana. That's it. But here's the genius part. The bot connects directly to the Solana blockchain. It verifies your payment automatically. No waiting, no manual approval, no fake checks. Within 60 seconds, you get a message. Payment verified. Your premium is now active for 30 days. You even get a transaction ID. You can verify it yourself on the blockchain. Complete transparency. No hidden tricks. And for 30 days, you have unlimited access. Unlimited searches, 50+ platforms, priority speed, No limits, no restrictions. That's 99 cents for 30 days. Do the math. That's 3 cents per day. Less than a penny per search if you use it daily. The value is insane. Let me show you the difference between free and premium, side by side. Free user searches for John Doe. They get 5 results. That's it. Premium user searches for the same username. They get 50+ results. Twitter, TikTok, Reddit, LinkedIn, Snapchat, Discord, and dozens more. Same username, same search, completely different results. Which one do you want to be? And here's the best part. You can check your premium status anytime. Type /premium, and the bot shows you exactly when your subscription expires. How many days you have left. No surprises, no hidden fees. This is not a game. This is a tool. A tool for professionals. A tool for researchers. A tool for anyone who needs to know more about the people they interact with online. Think about every time you've wondered, who is this person really? Are they who they say they are? What else are they involved in? Where else can I find them? Wolver answers all of these questions in seconds for 99 cents. The technology is rock solid. Pure Python, direct blockchain integration, real transaction verification, no fake promises, no fake results, just real data from real platforms. Every time you search, the bot checks 50+ platforms simultaneously. It returns results instantly, all with working links you can click. And I'm constantly updating it. New platforms get added regularly. Search gets faster. Features get better. Your premium subscription keeps getting more valuable over time. So here's what I want you to do. Right now, open Telegram. Search for @WolverIBot. Hit start. Type your own username. See what comes up. Then try someone else's username. A friend, a colleague, someone you're curious about. See the power for yourself. And if you want the full experience, spend that 99 cents. Upgrade to premium. Search 50+ platforms. See the difference. The link is in the description @WolverIBot. If this video showed you something valuable, hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel because we drop powerful tools like this every single week. Leave a comment. What username are you going to search first? I want to know. The bot is @WolverIBot. Link in the description. Thanks for watching. I'm Wolver, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.